I wanted to show you this great looking luggage the company sent to me. And my husband and I travel a lot, and I can tell you having good luggage really can make a difference, because if you're struggling getting your luggage around the airport, your wheels aren't rolling correctly, or you have a broken wheel, it just makes the whole process a whole lot more of a hassle. So having good luggage is a really big thing, and I love this one. Look at this. It moves so easily. Barely have to move it. It's a very good quality. It feels nice and thick. I've seen some luggage nowadays that plastic hard outer shell is so soft you just bend it easily. This is a nice firm plastic with extra covers over the corners. So let me show you some of the features. This also has this front zipper. So I love this if I happen to be carrying my laptop or any electronics. You can get to it with without any of your clothes falling out. The typical suitcase that unzips in the middle, if you open it up, your clothes, everything's exposed. You can lose something, or it can fall out and get all over the floor. This is easy. It has a nice padded laptop case here. It looks like it would work really well. I haven't tried it yet. Turn it down so you can see a little better in there. So you've got that Velcro there. Got two different sections. I have both an iPad and a laptop, so I could do both there. That would work great. It also has, you can open it a little further. This is just Velcro. That's what I was pulling apart. It's Velcro to keep it from falling too far, but it can completely be laid down. So you have pockets up here. You can put other phones, your passports, anything you want quick, easy access to. It also has a zipper right there. So you have all of that. Now let me show you the middle section, because this has a lot of room. It's got a great sturdy handle. It's a very nice handle. It feels like it would hold up really well. And look at this. This is the extension one. Now it goes up pretty high, which is nice because my husband's tall and he likes that. I like it kind of more in the middle. See, there you go. And it is perfect, because some of them you either extend all the way, or if you release it, it goes all the way down. Well, this one has that second height there, third height, and then all the way down from there. I'll show you the inside. These two different zippers here, one is just an expansion zipper. It opens it up bigger so that you can spread it out if you have more clothes in it. But the center one, let's see if I can find them. There it is. It's the TSA-approved code lock right there. But they also sent you a regular lock. You could use this with it also, or if you needed to put it into a locker or something at the airport, you would have that lock with you. It also came with some stickers if you wanted to customize it and put your name on it. So you have this zipper here. You do have the clips that you can clip this closed right here. You have this that you can put over your clothes to hold them all in there. And then you have the other side. Let me back it up here where you can see it a little better. So this side is completely zippered. You have that whole area there. Now what you're seeing underneath is where that front section was. But you have a lot of room in here, even on this side, even with that front section on the other side. And I like that I can zip, you know, some of your clothes you don't want exposed every time you open it. Your undies and things like that, you can put in there, zip it closed, you're good. You've got these pockets for toiletries and different things. This is a great suitcase. I'm so excited to have it. Now we just need to plan a trip so I can use it. So if you need some new luggage, I highly recommend checking this one out. It is very good quality from what I can tell. The zippers work very well, no issues at all. The rollers are very good. I really am impressed with these rollers. They're the really good double, of course, complete 360 turn, and they're the double wheels, so they're going to hold up a lot better. So check this out if you need some luggage.